The first position in running the planer is the spot that we feed the planer. That's the first part in the line. And here you're going to see where one of our guys is going to flip all the boards around. He's going to check everyone for how straight it is and if there's any curvature in the board in differing directions, so that he can set up the orientation of that board to run through the planer as smoothly as possible, but also more importantly to get a straight final product. One of the things you see him doing here, he's going to do it right now, is we call it feathering. He's going to trim just the ends a little bit, just to make it so that final product is good and straight before he sets it down on the table there, which runs the board across the saw that cuts it. A good square cut. You'll see he's looking around here. He's got to pay attention to what's going on as far as the guys down the line further, and making sure the wood keeps feeding in. See those shorts there? He's going to at some point take those over and feed them in separately. One of the things that happens is occasionally if a board has got a little too much curve to it, they can just chop it. It's one of our benefits of end matching, because end matching lets us use all of those, which benefits both us and the customer. There's no waste for us, there's no waste for the customer. More of the wood gets used, and it also makes with all the short pieces, which we keep to a fair minimum. With the pine products, about 80% of them are fairly long, 7, 8 foot pieces. But those shorter pieces are actually a lot easier to work with. They have no need to end on a stud because of the end matching. And here you're going to see now he's going to go ahead and put those in there. They do feed a little different, so he's got to handle them. And then you can get everything rolling again. And once it's rolling a little bit, he'll go over here, and he's going to grab those as they come out, just so he can kind of check them, and you can throw them over. They don't need to be defected. They already were, and they can go straight onto the end matcher just as soon as they're ready to put them in there. Here he's going to go over those boards as they're coming down. They are still stickered when we put them on that rack, and stickers are what we use to create air spacing for the kiln drying process. And they've got to come out that chute off that belt and get stacked to go back to the sawmill for later use. Here in just a second, he's going to go over and check the boards coming out of the planer. They got to do this once in a while to check the quality of them, make sure that nothing's messed up. So he's going to come over here and he's going to feel the wood to see if there's any marks that would be in the blades. They can always stop the machine and sharpen them if need be. After that, here we go. Boys will be boys. We've got to go back to picking up the stickers. So nothing like having a little fun while you're at work. He's going to throw some sticks to knock the others down and make sure that we can get them all out of there and pick them up. Occasionally something will happen with the machine and the guy running it will have to go over there and just mess with some of the adjustments as far as how tight it's running a board or something to make sure that we are going to keep running it smooth. So here Eric's going to run over there and he will fix that, and then it's actually just about to be time to quit for the day. So he will then, once he's done with that, he's going to set up to get the last board run through, which is going to be one of those safety things. You got to watch your fingers here at Woodhaven in the shop. There's a lot of ways you can cut your fingers. So instead of pushing that last board through with your hand, he's going to go ahead and grab one of the stickers there, just the same ones that we use for drying. This one appears to be, and he will put that behind this last board so that it will feed through right behind it and push it through. You can take that out easier once the machine is shut off and all done turning the blades. There you have it. Thanks for watching. For more content like this and seeing how we operate, make sure to click that like and subscribe. Thank you.